yeah, we get back in 24 hours. Hi guys, thanks for being here. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7 and also part 2 of the sorrel video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you prepare the sorrel for drinking after part 1. I hope you did not miss that part, because that part is important so you can understand what's happening. This is part 2, and I'm going to be sweetening showing you how we Jamaicans prepare our sorrel. So let's get into the video. Here's our the sorrel from the last video. So it's now 24 hours. Actually, it's a little bit over 24 hours. Okay, but 24 hours. After 24 hours, you strain off the sorrel. You can strain off the liquid. Okay, and this is what it looks like. That's the cinnamon, and I have the cinnamon here, the ginger, a few allspice and clove, and a few cloves, and that is what it looks like. Okay, so let me just strain this off here. The sorrel, I'm going to be putting a little bit of the white rum. You don't have to put white rum if you don't want to. If you don't want alcohol, you don't have to. I'm going to be putting sugar, and also I'm going to be putting some red label wine. Not too much. The rum and the red label wine and the white rum, guys, if you want to store your sorrel on the outside, not in the fridge, then you would need to in order to preserve it, you would have to put some white rum, a little white rum, okay, on your sorrel, as well as if you don't want to put alcohol. Another way of preserving it is with rice. People back in the olden days, they use rice to, or even now, if you choose not to use the alcohol, to store it, like when you pour it in your bottle and have it out on your counter, then you would have, in order for it not to get bad, you have to put some rum, or some people put rice in it. I'm going to be straining this off now, and then I'm going to be sweetening and taste for you to see. I'm just going to be working with this amount for now. The rest I'll just to show you how to sweeten your sorrel. I have this much wine that I'm just going to pour onto the sorrel. So that's all you do. You strain your sorrel, and I'm going to be pouring that much red label wine. With this amount here, this container is 2 quart. Okay, 2 quarts. So yeah, with 2 quart of sorrel, you could put the choice is yours how much wine you want to put. Like a 1/4 cup of the red label is not bad. 1/4 cup or 1/3 cup of red label wine. Especially if you're preparing it for children, you're giving it to children, guys. You don't put too much wine, right? You don't want them to get drunk. You drink responsibly, and I'm not promoting drinking. It's just the festivities, Christmas. These are things that ingredients we use to prepare certain recipes. Okay, so, and as I told you, I don't drink, guys, but a little rum in our Christmas recipes doesn't hurt, and the choice is yours. You don't have to use rum. So this one now, with the 2 quart, I would put maybe, I'm gonna put like a 3/4 of that white rum. Not too much, because as I told you, if I choose to put it store it on the counter in the bottle, like fill this out and leave it on on the counter and not in the fridge, then I would have to put the rum or the rice. Okay, the rice is not hard. What you would do is get like 1/3 cup of your rice and pour it into the bottle, and then you would pour the red label. You would put your 1/3 cup of rice into your bottle, pour it into whatever bottle you're going to store it in, and then you pour the sorrel on top of the rice, and you know, yeah, and that's how you keep it preserved for keeping it on the outside if you don't want to put the rum. So yeah, it's just the rum, the wine, sugar, guys. So I'm not going to be sweetening all of this. What I'm going to be doing is pouring some into this bottle here, and then I'm going to sweeten just enough to taste, okay? Let's fill this bottle out, and then I'm gonna sweeten. Now guys, the sorrel takes a lot of sugar, okay? But you put whatever amount of sugar you want to put. For this, you can put like maybe 1/4 cup of sugar. But let me just, it depends. Not everybody likes sweet drinks, so the choice is yours how much sugar. So that is about maybe 1/3 to 1/4 cup of sugar I poured there. And then, you know, you stir your sugar, sweeten to taste. I tasted it, guys. This is fine, to be honest, the amount of sugar I put, but you know, I'm just gonna put just a little bit more sugar, a little bit more sugar, yeah, because not too sweet, right? Because when I tasted it at first, it was fine, but just a little bit sweeter. And then we stir and serve on ice. And then, as I said, with the wine in, if I had decided not to put the rum, guys, or the wine, then you would have to store it in the fridge. It has to be refrigerated. Or if you decide not to put the rice either, you have to put some preservative in it in order to if you want to keep it outside. You could also strain it one more time, twice, okay, if you find that. You know, if it needs to be strained. It's looking good. And it tastes good. It is so real. I would store it in bottles. You put it in whatever bottle you would want to put it in. And I am going to taste it, okay? Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. Cheers. Okay. It's time to taste. 1, 2, 3, action. Guys, I'm telling you, look at this. Look at this glass of sorrel. It is refreshing, guys. It's good. I love it. It's good, guys. I did not put too much rum. I'm not even tasting the rum, which is good. Okay, some people you have their sorrel drink and you can taste the rum, but this is good. You're not supposed to be like drinking, you know, to get drunk. So I think the rum is perfect. And also, guys, like, you know, this sorrel with the 2 pound of sorrel, I put 16 cups of water. But the choice is yours. You could put anywhere between for the 2 pound, you could put anywhere between 12 and 16 cups of water, depending on how strong you want your sorrel. But this is perfect. I love it. I love the way it tastes. It's refreshing, and it's not too sweet, which is good. I enjoy it. The allspice and the clove, it's perfect. It is perfect. I love it. Now, guys, my call to action, please give the video a thumbs up. Okay, give the video a thumbs up, guys. And also share the video with your friends. And thanks for joining me in Vlogmas 7, and look forward to Vlogmas 8 video coming out. Okay, cheers, happy holidays from Faithlin Foods Variety. Okay, guys, so a little bonus at the end. Okay, what do you say? A little bonus at the end? Yes? No? Okay, a little bonus at the end. And I'm gonna be tasting this, the coconut rum cake. And this cake looks like Twinkie. Oh, the coconut one is not brown. The one that said Vlogmas 2 to 5, that video. If you did not see it, please go there. That's where I tasted the first cake. Smells like coconut. Smells good. Looks like Twinkie. I love it. I would say the cake interesting, and it's delicious. It's refreshing. Sorrel, it is so real.
So real.
Happy holidays from Faithlin Foods Variety, my cooking channel, to you and your family. You have a great day.